For years, I have wanted to build my own professional woodworking workshop. Not just a room filled with machines, but a place where I can create unique pieces and improve my skills. And today, the first major piece of that workshop has finally arrived. My dream workbench. But before I can use it, I have to unpack it, assemble it, and move this incredibly heavy bench into position. As you can see, it's a pretty big mess in here right now. A few days ago, I demolished this old water pit to create some extra space. But to reach it, I had to first remove all the cabinets, so everything is still scattered around the workshop. Over the next months, I'm going to transform this space, one machine, one improvement, and one project at a time. And this workbench is where that journey starts. I spent a long time looking at different workbenches. I did not want something temporary that I would replace in a few years. I wanted one solid, traditional workbench that could stay with me throughout the entire growth of this workshop. Eventually, I chose this Hoffman and Hammer workbench. But it did not arrive as a finished bench. It still had to be assembled, aligned and tightened. This is part 1 of building my dream workshop. Let's assemble it. When it was time to install the worktop, I knew I could not do it safely alone. The top was simply too heavy and awkward to control by myself. If I tried to lift it alone, it would easily damage the workbench before I even used it. So I asked my sister to help me. With the two of us, we could carefully control the weight, line everything up, and lower the top safely into position.
Kijk, en nu zet je hem gewoon een beetje omhoog. Voilà. En dan de pen goed in. En nu weer laten zakken.
Een mooie bak.
En dan... Hey. Kun je dat ook erop zetten?
Now, let's install the handles for the vices. I have never owned a workbench with vices before, so I'm really excited to finally try them out. The workbench is finally installed. I do not have the perfect permanent spot yet, so for now I am placing it in a temporary position until the rest of the workshop layout is finished. I do not have the bench dog and the holds fast yet. So I cannot put the workbench fully to test today. But in the next video I will use it to build my first real project. This is only the beginning.